Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the transformative role of artificial intelligence and interactive avatars in education, as highlighted by the research from the Center for Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Education. This role is based on innovative applications that tailor instruction to the needs of each student. This video is specifically intended for educators, teachers, and researchers interested in educational technologies, especially in integrating artificial intelligence and avatars into informal educational settings such as laboratories and simulations. Artificial intelligence has radically reshaped the educational landscape, offering personalized and adaptive learning experiences, as demonstrated by studies involving 173 teachers in Serbia, which confirm positive attitudes toward its integration. Interactive educational avatars, as digitally created characters by Cray, provide educational scalability and enhance teaching through two-way communication and real-time content customization. Teachers recognize the potential of avatars in personalized learning, adapting to students' interests and levels, as well as increasing motivation, with high ratings in Likert surveys for interactivity and engagement. In Serbia, the Center for Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Education, part of the University of Belgrade Faculty of Philosophy, leads the integration of artificial intelligence with infrastructure such as 3D simulations and AR/VR applications. Cray is a research and development center dedicated to promoting educational innovation based on artificial intelligence, focusing on keywords such as collaboration, initiative, science, and vision, as depicted in its logo. The center's infrastructure includes multimedia platforms, environments for 3D simulations, augmented and virtual reality applications, as well as smart classrooms for practical training of teachers and students. Cray avatars are multilingual, operating in Serbian, English, Chinese, and other languages, facilitating intercultural cooperation, as seen with traditional avatars with subtitles and interactive ones that respond to questions about changes in education. These avatars are systematically designed by researchers such as Professor Danimira Mandića to support various teaching tasks and professional development needs based on a study with 34 educators. They provide information on enrollment procedures, study programs, and diploma structures through user-friendly digital interfaces that facilitate access and make it personalized. They also provide access to documented research and publications in the field of educational technology, such as articles from the journal Computers and Education and UNESCO reports, with search and text summarization features. Avatari can simulate adaptive lesson planning, student assessment models, and feedback mechanisms using algorithms that tailor content based on performance. Moreover, they offer interactive training guides for educators in artificial intelligence pedagogy and its ethical use, covering topics such as transparency and bias. The development of educational avatars began with animated pedagogical agents in the 2020s and evolved into interactive systems with artificial intelligence such as those from Cray. Classic avatars represent teachers in digital environments who display content, while interactive avatars enable two-way communication, content customization, and responses to questions like, will artificial intelligence replace teachers? The engineering behind these avatars includes machine learning algorithms, deep learning architectures such as GPT 5.1 and Llama, natural language processing, and NLP models. They also use speech recognition, speaker synthesis, multimodal emotion analysis through computer vision and behavior for real-time interaction. Real-time adaptability through layers of personalization, scalability, and ethical considerations such as data security and user privacy in accordance with OECD and UNESCO are key in their design. The pedagogical value of interactive avatars goes beyond simple content delivery, supporting adaptive learning, emotional engagement, and retention in students with disabilities. They promote motivation and autonomy by guiding students in independently monitoring progress and reflective learning with personalized feedback. However, the development of artificial intelligence avatars raises ethical challenges regarding transparency, data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the need for global standards. UNESCO emphasizes that successful integration of artificial intelligence into education requires respecting global ethical standards, such as those promoted through TIMSS and other programs. Teacher training is key to the effective implementation of avatars in the classroom through workshops and informal experiences such as those at CRAIE. The artificial intelligence framework for educators encompasses 5 areas: human-centered perspective, ethical artificial intelligence, theoretical and applied aspects, pedagogical and professional development based on UNESCO standards. Successful integration of interactive avatars depends on the technological skills of educators, such as digital competencies and pedagogical flexibility in hybrid learning models. Non-traditional learning experiences, such as research with 34 educators, are important for preparing teachers for new avatar and AI technologies. CRAE provides a rich ecosystem with zones such as high technology experience and smart classroom to study how exposure to avatar technologies affects educators' perceptions. In conclusion, interactive avatars with artificial intelligence are a powerful tool for promoting smart education, as confirmed by positive attitudes in research. They demand comprehensive teacher training through the CRAIE program, strong ethical management based on UNESCO, and interdisciplinary cooperation with the University of Belgrade and partners for successful adoption. CRAE is part of the international IIoE network and represents the first European National Center for Artificial Intelligence in Education within the UNESCO-CHEI ecosystem. The collaboration includes the development of educational tools and avatars based on artificial intelligence, international training programs for teachers, joint research projects, policy development, and recommendations for responsible artificial intelligence in education, as well as networking institutions across Europe and Asia. This strategic alliance positions Serbia as a regional leader in digital and advanced education through artificial intelligence. Center for Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Education, CRAIE, conducts comprehensive teacher training programs focused on developing modern digital pedagogical competencies. These trainings include practical application of artificial intelligence in teaching, digital learning, educational robotics, VR/AR technologies, and 3D simulations, with a strong emphasis on ethical and responsible use of technology. Through interactive workshops, webinars, and online platforms, CRAE enables teachers to acquire the knowledge and skills necessary for modern teaching, improve the quality of learning, and become drivers of innovation in their schools. We are proud of the professors and assistants at the Faculty of Education, whose expertise and dedication form the foundation of CRAE's growth and influence. Our team members regularly participate in the most prestigious international scientific conferences, where they share research results, innovative methodologies, and advancements in education through artificial intelligence. Professor Danimira Mandića, founder and director of CRAE and Dean of the Faculty of Education, is recognized as a leading regional expert in educational technology, artificial intelligence in learning, and strategic digital transformation in higher education. His work combines scientific excellence, international collaboration, and practical implementation of AI-driven educational solutions. CRAE maintains active partnerships with Peking Normal University, one of the world's leading institutions in educational technology research, and with NetDragon Websoft, a global edtech company known for advanced digital learning platforms and AI-based educational ecosystems. Through these collaborations, CRAE contributes to joint research, teacher training programs, the development of intelligent educational environments, and large international projects aligned with the UNESCO ICE mission. Together, these strategic alliances position Serbia as a regional leader in digital innovations and AI-supported education.